Hey there, imagine you're on the field, soccer ball soaring, fans roaring ready to score the game winner when your big toe fouls out with an ingrown nail growing into the skin instead of over it. And, oh yeah, your nails are sporting an unusual appearance, maybe a changed texture that's catching sidelong glances. And if you're here for your nail shop or your own pitch-perfect feet, don't kick this away, because we're dribbling into this match day mess. What's tripping up, why it's red carding your toes, and how your game might be the ref, all in a chat livelier than a penalty kick. Picture your toenail turning into the sneaky ref nobody trusts, cozying up to the skin beside it like it's calling a phantom foul, while those other nails look a bit quirky, maybe from sweaty socks and cleats, and you're left wondering how a match meant for glory turned into a toe timeout. Could it be those cleats, tighter than a defensive wall, squeezing your toes like they're dodging a slide tackle? Before you can boot the ball, you notice something off, and that spot's sensitive, a bit pink, or slightly bigger, while your teammate snickers. Bro, your nails are stealing the show. Don't sub out, because this game's got a twist. So, what's calling the shots in this soccer slip? Your game's the playmaker. Ever trim your nails to short or unevenly pre-match, rushing to tape up your shins? That's the first pass. Then there's those snug cleats looking pro but gripping your toes like a corner trap, and if you're sprinting goal to goal, barely pausing, those nails are getting nudged into mischief faster than a free kick, while the damp turf and sweaty gear might be turning those other nails into a field day surprise. Ever had that moment where you're so pumped dodging defenders, chasing the net, that you ignore the pinch and the odd look, thinking, it's fine, I'm unstoppable? Or how about your buddy yelling, nice move, but what's with the limp, and you laugh it off, secretly blaming those tight spikes, while he adds, and those nails, are they a new kit? What if the coach is eyeing you, but your toe staging its own protest, making you hobble off the pitch like a rookie, and your nails are catching whispers like a goal celebration gone wrong? It's like the field's rigged, the grass sagging you on, the cheers pumping you up, and those breathable cleats that feel more like a wall, all while your big toes quietly muttering, offside, and your nails are turning into a sideline spectacle. Ever wonder why your feet feel fine mid-game, but later, your toes sulking like it missed the shot and your nails are drawing stares like a mascot costume? Could it be the victory lap dancing around, skipping cooldowns, or that extra sprint you threw in, all piling pressure on your unsuspecting nails, while the sweaty socks and turf are adding a quirky twist? Picture your pal snapping epic goal, and you're grinning, secretly cursing the cleats, while he chuckles, your nails could sponsor us, or maybe it's your rival teasing, fast feet, funny nails? As you shuffle off, pretending it's all good. How many times have you grinded a match, all hustle and heart, only to feel your toe staging its own red card by the final whistle, and your nails rocking an unexpected vibe? Maybe it's the sideline sprints, dodging tackles, hopping line sore. That moment you slide into the goal, and your toe takes the hit, while your nails catch the damp air like a field prank. Or picture this, your team cheers, MVP! And you nod, but inside, you're blaming those cleats and socks for throwing off your game, while your nails are stealing the after-party chat. Ever catch yourself dreaming of trophies, flags waving, crowds roaring, only to realize your toes already benched and your nails are trending for all the wrong reasons? What about that pre-game hype warming up, hyping the squad? Did you ever stop to think your cleats might foul you out? Or the turf might style your nails for a surprise debut? This isn't new. Soccer stars have been kicking and cursing toes since boots were leather, way back when fields were dirt, and now you're the player who's caught the catch, wondering if the ball's snickering at your quirky feet. Think about it. How often do you charge the pitch, all grit and glory, only to find your toes opted for a timeout before the whistle, and your nails are rocking a sideline saga? Next time you lace up, you might hear your toes grumbling, bad play, because this soccer mishmash has got more fouls than a final, more laughs than a sideline, and you're the one who spots the slip, the striker who sees through the scramble.